Want to hide messages or keep chats private without deleting them? Here's how to archive messages on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or Plus. Start by opening your default Messages app. This is where all your chats live. There are 3 simple ways to archive a chat. First, open the conversation you want to hide. Tap the 3-dot menu in the top corner and select Archive. The chat is now tucked away in the archived folder. Second, from your main chat list, tap and hold the conversation. At the top of the screen, tap Archive. Done. This is faster if you want to hide multiple chats quickly. Third, simply swipe left on a chat. It's instantly archived. Super quick and convenient, especially if you're managing lots of conversations. To see your archived chats, go to your profile or account menu in the Messages app. Open the Archived folder, and you'll find every chat you've archived safely stored there. If you want a conversation back in your main inbox, tap and hold the chat in the Archive folder. Then select Unarchive from the top menu. Your chat is back where it belongs. And that's it. Thanks.